Hello everyone, I'm Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Department of Cybersecurity in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In today's lecture, we are going to see about distributed version control. So you want to share your project or a software with a different location, or you're sharing with some other people means version should be controlled by other systems. So all the systems are not supports your version. So on that place, we'll go for this distributed version control concept. First, we'll see about distributed virtual control system. So, if the developers has a full repository of JIT means no issue, so we can directly control the version of a particular source code or a program. So, if we didn't have a JIT concept means we'll have a problem. So, main thing if we have a distributed version control or a centralized version control means centralized version control it doesn't need any server dependency and offline work. So all the things will be centrally monitor and anything can be updated with that central system itself. So if you have a version control system means it is a full repository copy of JIT. So you can store all the informations. It dumps all those things. So this is an example of a version control system. Here we have show servers and different repositories and working copy. So we have three workstations, one, two, three. So in that three workstations, we are commit all the programs. So if you have done some program means that will be committed to the JIT. After that, that will be pushed into your server. So you want to get that back means we want to pull that information and you can update it. So this is the process we are doing in distribution version control. So the main benefits of this distribution version control is first one is merging and branching. So you want to merge a thing means we can do it. Examine and experiment with code. So you want to experiment any kind of thing means you can do that with the help of this version control. You can operate in offline also. So you want to create and automate backups means that is also by use you that is also by done by with the help of this, and you want to communicate through open channel means that is also possible. So these are all the benefits. So JIT fundamentals, here we have JIT commands like so these are all the basic commands we are using. JIT clone means copy repository. You want to copy a repository means we'll use JIT clone. JIT commit means you want to save a changes what you have done on your program means on that place will you give JIT commit. JIT push pull for sync with remote. So you want to syncing with your remote location means on that place we will use. So here we have structures like commit branch tag. So this is a structure here. It will be followed in your JIT. So JIT in nutshell here. So the basic code, how we are creating, how we are publishing, what is a branch, view, conflicts. So that thing will be explained in this picture. So you want to create, after that you want to browse, then you want to change a thing after you're creating a report. So likewise, you will do different operations on your JIT. So the main common workflow of it is feature develop release branch. So new feature you're including that will be developed and after that we have to release that. So this thing will be happened in JIT. So here we have short lived branches and frequent merges. So new features or you're updating any kind of thing means that will be added in this form. So you want to clone any kind of configuration on open source files means we can clone that. Tools, what we are used for version control systems means GitHub, GitHub Lab, Bitbucket. So these are all the tools that we are using for distribution version control. So the main challenges here, overlapping changes in branches. So you are changing any kind of thing means that will be overlap. And also, if you're doing any kind of cloning operation means for the big trees, it is very slow down process. So we have a data loss a risk, and also we have to mention a clear policies. So if you didn't mention the clear policies means we have a problem. So the main best practices of this is we have to uh, do any comment means that will be focused on atomic changes, code reviews mandatory, and we have a branches so that will be prevent direct pushes, tags, so we can. Thank you.